Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by reproducing the error immediately. Don't guess. Run the exact line that raises attribute error and note the full message. Once done, check the object's type with type, obj, and list available attributes with dir, obj. Make sure the module was imported correctly and the name isn't shadowed by a local variable. If you see an unexpected type, trace where that object is created so you can change the construction or the call site without guessing. You now narrow down the cause by comparing what you expected the object to be versus what it actually is. If a variable shadows a module or function, rename it. If you called a class attribute on an instance or vice versa, switch to the correct access pattern. When attributes are added dynamically, confirm they are set before use. Use logging or a quick debugger breakpoint to inspect state right before the failing call so you can change the flow or initialization order. You finish by applying the chosen fix and rerunning tests. Make sure the error no longer appears. Add defensive checks like hasError or isInstance where appropriate, and prefer explicit initialization to implicit attribute creation. Once done, write a small unit test that reproduces the original failure so it won't regress. If issues persist, run a linter and add type hints to reveal mismatches. As a troubleshooting tip, insert a short debug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.